Welcome back to the channel guys. Ngayon in-unbox natin yung mga nabili natin from Huawei at saka yung mga freebies na kasama nito. So yun guys, no, share ko lang to nabili ko sa Huawei store on Shopee. Actually this was 3 months ago and as you can see my free gift yan siya from Huawei and naka-jackpot rin ako ng 1,000 voucher. So let's unbox the first gift. This is a free speaker which is bundled siya sa Freebuds 4i ng Huawei. Design wise naman, no, di ko ina-expect na okay talaga yung quality ng speaker. And you can really appreciate how high quality the experience when you unbox this gift. In terms of size, akala ko malaking speaker siya, pero as you have seen, kasing laki lang siya ng kamay ko. So out of curiosity, no, tiningnan ko pa yung loob ng box, and it's bundled with a thank you letter from Huawei, stating that thank you for choosing the products and blah blah blah. And next, as you can see, there's a manual, just a short manual. And to my surprise, no,
Nabale, nahanap po yung USB Type-C nga cord.
actually high quality USB Type-C na cord siya. Okay, so let's test this one. And to my surprise again, may LED lights siya sa loob which changes color every time. And in terms of sound quality naman, it's loud but medyo lunod ng kaunti yung sound pero malakas. Next up is the skip na thermos, no? Unbox na lang din natin siya ng sabay sa iba and just appreciate this free gift from Huawei. Ewan ko lang no kung bakit to may manual, and again a thank you letter from Huawei. On the outside, no, again really appreciate it Huawei for this good quality gift. As you can see naman. On the inside naman, you can trust this thermos for your hot coffee or tea like a regular thermos. And as you can see, may maliit na strainer rin siya na kasama sa loob. Okay, this one is the most I'm excited about. So let's unbox this Huawei Freebuds 4i. Again guys, no, I just love how this is being unboxed at that time because of the quality of the packaging, the product itself, and also the smell. What I love from this device guys, no, at its price there's a noise cancellation feature and awareness mode and very good sound quality na nagpapasulit talaga sa price niya. And also guys, no, this is rechargeable via USB Type-C. So here it's USB Type-C cable, some stickers, and on this little box inside is some extra ear tips on different sizes, manuals, and warranty card. Yes. And the one that I anticipated the most is this Huawei Watch Fit. So let's remove some stickers. I chose this device not just for its price but because of its features. An OLED screen, 10 days battery life, its tracking system of heart, sleep, and exercise, and because of its design. For me guys, no, sulit talaga siya for its price. So yun, more from the box is some manuals and warranty card, and here it's USB magnetic cable. That's it for the unboxing guys. I hope you enjoyed it and see you again on the next video. Peace.